In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make your screen mockups using Artboard Studio mockups on Figma. We'll start inside your existing Figma file with the design you want to showcase already open on the canvas. Keep your main screen in a tidy frame so it's easy to drop into a mockup later. If your project includes multiple screens, duplicate the one you plan to feature so any tweaks here won't affect your source. This keeps your workflow clean and reversible. Next, open the Plugins menu. On Windows, press Ctrl+/. On Mac, it's Command+/. In the search bar, type Artboard Studio Mockups. If you haven't used it before, install it from there. Then launch the plugin. If it's already installed, just open it, and the panel will appear on the right. Inside the plugin, browse or search for a mockup that matches your project. You can look by device type: phones, laptops, or desktops to keep the context consistent with your design. Take a second to preview angles and orientations so the final shot feels natural. Note that many items in Artboard Studio are paid. Certain mockups require an active plan to import. When you've found the one you want, click to import it onto your canvas. The plugin will drop in a group that includes a device image and a clearly named placeholder frame. That placeholder is where your UI goes. In the Layers panel, drag your design frame into that placeholder so it nests inside. If your UI is larger or smaller than the placeholder, scale it while holding Shift to keep proportions intact. Keep edges aligned and avoid stretching so the interface remains crisp. When your design is in place, select the placeholder frame that now contains your UI. Then in the plugin panel, click Render Selected Frame. The plugin applies the mockup, wrapping your screen with the correct perspective and lighting. If anything looks off, adjust before exporting. Double-check that your design fills the placeholder without gaps, and that important content isn't cropped. You can resize the overall scene or reposition the mockup group to create a balanced composition. Once you are satisfied, use Figma's standard export options to save your final scene as a PNG or JPG. If you need a transparent background around the device, export as PNG with transparency enabled. For smaller files, a medium-quality JPG is usually enough. Choose a resolution that matches where you'll share it, higher for portfolio and presentations. Lighter for web previews, so it looks sharp without adding unnecessary file size. That's it. Thanks for watching.